Any oil that you pick for an engine is critical to its operation. Basically, engine oil is made up of a base stock, which usually is around 70–75% of the total engine oil content.
And then the second part is an additive or a mixture of additives which go into the oil and give specific protection against a whole range of things.
There's a whole raft of additives and improvers to that base stock that go into designing an oil specifically for a diesel engine application. Things like viscosity improvers, dispersants and detergents to suspend items in the oil. It contains things like anti-foaming agents to stop air being entrained in the oil and make sure that you deliver consistent oil flow through to the components. And we refine and define our engine oil specification based on the particular parameters that our engines operate in with our customers. So that could be operating at -40°C in the north of Russia, cold starting 5 times a day, or it could be in the deserts of the Sahara at 50°C with an engine running at full load all the time.
If the engine is operating for lengthy periods of time at very high temperatures, the process called oxidation will start, where the oil starts to break down.
The decay oxidation test is one of the plethora of tests that we use in JCB to specify our oils, to test them, to quality control them before they are allowed to go to our customers.
To the operator, that may be visible by the engine oil going slightly thicker, or maybe the colour of the oil would change, it would become a darker colour, leading to premature failure.
To test the impact of engine oils on our seals, for example, we would take a rubber seal, we would apply oil to it, let that oil attack the seal, and then put that seal through stresses and strains to see how it responds after it's been submersed or immersed in oil. As soon as a seal leaks, that oil is then lost from the engine. It stops lubricating, metal starts rubbing on metal, wear happens, and at some point that engine will seize.
I've got a JS130, which is 22 years old. We've always used approved oil in it, which was from JCB. I always get my oil from there, and that's why it's lasted so long.